this next card is going to be another birthday card, but maybe geared more toward a child or just a little bit of a different style. The cupcake one I feel like was kind of minimalist and kind of just cute and elegant, and this one's going to be a little bit more vibrant and fun. And what I'm going to be painting is just kind of a big, bold rainbow. That doesn't mean that you have to. I just think that it looks good with lots of really bright, happy colors, but you can choose whatever fits your mood and just kind of get creative with it. So again, I have just another printout, and I folded my card, just another 6" by 9" card, and I'm taping my computer paper into place. And with my carbon paper, I'm just tracing over those letters. And what I like about tracing letters that I've printed off the computer is that my goal really isn't to make my card look perfect like it was printed off of the computer, because I could easily do that. I want it to look a little bit, you know, handmade, of course, because it is. And having the printed sheet from my computer just really helps save a lot of time and makes the process a little bit more fun and less anxiety provoking. And then I just used my waterproof pen to trace the letters on there. And now I'm just gonna have some fun with some colors. So I'm just going for a rainbow. I don't want to cover the entire card with color. I want to leave some of it white because I think that that looks nice, but of course, you know, that's just my personal preference. You can do anything that you want. And I'm just using the primary colors and letting them kind of bleed together a little bit. And then I'm going to let this dry before I move on to the next step. But I just want to make sure it's nice and bright. I don't want it to be too dark. So you can see now it's dry, and it's definitely not, you know, perfect looking. It's not very refined. You could technically leave it at this stage. It's just very simple and fun, and I think that especially like kids would just love this. But I'm gonna go ahead and just add a few little marks, or you know, maybe thousands of marks in here, just to add a little bit of texture to the card and make it look a little bit interesting. So I'm basically sticking with the same colors. I'm just using a more concentrated mix of paints so that it stands out against the background. And instead of just using the primary colors like I did before and letting them bleed together, I'm gonna actually, you know, mix up some orange like I am here. And kind of put it there where the yellow and the red are meeting. And then of course, putting some yellow spots in there. And then I'm going to mix up some green for where the yellow and the blue are meeting. And I think that this actually would work really well for most kids too, because there's a lot, but it's very simple. So it'll keep them busy for a little while. But it won't be so time consuming that they'll get bored. Now I'm doing the blue and then the purple. And that's going to be it for the rainbow, but you can see that I kind of lost my words in there. There's so much color in the rainbow that I barely can see what I wrote. So what I'm going to do is go back over that with my pen and just make that a little bit more bold. And with these cards, it would also be fun just to kind of personalize them. So if you print these off on your own, you know, you can say happy birthday and then put the name of the person, you know, maybe say happy, you know, 6th birthday or whatever it is, and just kind of personalize it even more. Yeah, that's just kind of a fun, colorful card for a birthday.